It's your boy, JD on 3. And I ain't gonna lie, your boy messed up on his oil change, stripped out the main drain plug because he went the wrong way. So don't do what I did and completely fuck up. So I got a new one here. Here's the old one. It's a pretty simple step of taking out 17 bolts and then basically not getting yourself covered in fucking oil. Once you do that successfully, there's these, what do you call these, filters?
Yes.
Some oil filters. So here was like the original spots. You take those oil filters, put them back in, and then the only thing left to do now is literally bolt it back in. Not a hard process, but you can't fuck yourself up. So let's get back into it.
To hold it up, right?
Yeah.
Put you some bolts on they got like these 2 center bolts.
Mm-hmm.
It's one on, that'll hold you up so you can go around and go ahead and put your, fuck. It fell in the thing. Move that drain bolt, move that drain fluid. Move that drain, because we got new ones, so I ain't worried about none of this in there. Just so they hit the ground from now on.
Okay, that's cool. We got extras.
Yeah. So take yourself and mount it up.
Mm-hmm.
Like, don't even like, you can't hand tighten them all, so you can put a little bit on them. Just so you can hold the pan up so you can work.
Yeah.
And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go around and I'm gonna put some each, and then tightening the best way is like crisscross, like zigzag.
Right.
Don't go all the way around.
Mm-hmm.
Just put your little up just to hold the pan up.
Yep.
Now you got the pan held up. Now you're not fighting against yourself.
Right.
And now just take all the rest of the 15 you got left, and the ones you can hand tie, with a hand tighten them, and then we'll go around with the little electric screwdriver, and then go back with a ratchet.
Gotcha.
And like just make sure they tight. You don't want to over tighten them and crack them. Even though this is aluminum, you don't want to crack your pan.
Alright guys, so just like that, everything is back in. Everything's tightened down. Right now we're good. All the oil, of course, is out of the engine, so that's going to be the next step to basically do the oil change. Check for leaks, crank the bike on, and then continue to check for leaks just to make sure everything is good. So when I bought this piece, it already had a gasket on it. So just want to make sure that gasket is good. But that's it. All right, guys. So like I said, the only other thing to do now is to actually do the oil change. Since of course you took out all the oil, you need to put some new oil in. I like to always get the oil change kit. Seems to be the easiest and the best way to do it. Comes with everything you need. A little bit pricey. You may be able to find the oil and stuff for cheaper, but I do like that comes in a kit. So normally I'll go and get a kit and call that a day. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into that. All right, you guys, and that's gonna do it. We are back in business. We are back, baby. The Ryker is ready to ride again. Just come off vacation, so I didn't get a chance to mess with it. The part came in, so as soon as I got off the plane, I made a straight beeline back to South Carolina. Got my part. Here it is, morning time, and we went ahead and got that bad boy done. She runs. I'm happy. I can't wait to ride, y'all. So anyways, hope you like the video. Hope this helps. Please, guys, remember, don't try to turn the wrong way. You start turning stuff the wrong way, it's easy to strip your bolts, screws, the equipment. So it's just a whole hassle. Again, here's the old piece. I'm gonna try to get the stripped out screw if I can. It's right there. If I can get that stripped out screw, I mean the gasket, everything on this piece is good except for that stripped out screw. So yeah, I'm gonna see what I can do to get that out. And yeah, baby, we back. Like a fam, tap in. Let's go.